Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve very easy difficulty level challenge called Mario's coin collector. So you can read this challenge, and as you can see, we need to create a function and count how many items are in the list. We are not adding values or anything. We are just counting how many coins are in the list. So let's break it down. If Mario collects coins with values 1 to 3, the total number of coins is 3 because there are only 3 items are in the list. For the second test case as well, there are only 3 items in the list, so there are 3 coins. And if the list is empty, like this third test case, then the answer is 0. So one more thing you can do here is you can pause the video and solve the challenge on your own. And if you struggle to solve it, then you can always watch the full video. So now how do we solve this challenge? We are defining the function called coin collector, which takes the parameter coins, and inside the function, so the Python has built-in function called len. The len function, it returns the number of elements in a list, and that's it. So now let's test the outputs of the given test cases. So the print So when we run this, we get exactly what we expected, 3, 3 and 0. We used Python len function to count how many coins Mario collected. It's a very easy difficulty level challenge, and if you found this helpful, try modifying the challenge. So let's add another test case where I'm going to add 10 items in a list. So here, so in this case, you can see here the function returns 10 as output. Now let's try to solve another challenge. So here is one, hashes and pluses. So this challenge is to create a function that counts the number of hash and plus characters in a string. So the first value in a list will be the number of hash, and the second value will be the number of plus. So let's break it down. So if the input is 3 hash symbols and 1 plus, so we return the 3 and 1. If the input is like this, we have 3 hash symbols and 3 plus symbols, so the output is 3, 3. And the input is empty, meaning that there is nothing to count, so we will return 0, 0. So to solve this problem, here is the function hash plus count, and we will use the Python's count method, which counts the occurrences of a specific character in a string. Now that's all we need. The count hash give us the number of hash, and the count plus will give us the number of plus, and we return both as a list. So let's test it with the given test cases. And when we run this, we get 3, 1, 3, 3, 4, 6 and 0, 0, just as expected. And that's it for this. We used Python's count method to quickly find and return the number of hash and plus characters in a string. So you can try experimenting, and what if we counted other symbols too? So you can try experimenting that as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.